Christina from Christina's Crafts. I have a Christmas DIY for you today, and today I am going to be making, I don't even know if there's a name for it, but I'm using a snowflake and a Dollar Tree canvas. So I hope you stick around and check it out. I'm all set to get started on this DIY. So for this one, I have one of the smaller canvases. I don't know what the size was. I already took all the packaging off, and I have some blue lights that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have this glittery snowflake, and I have some metallic paint from Deco Art, and I have 4 of these jumbo craft sticks that I got from Walmart. So I'm gonna start off by painting these craft sticks. Oh, that was a little too much. I can already see how my night's gonna go. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm gonna give all 4 of my craft sticks a coat. I'm gonna do front and back of this metallic silver. Okay, so those are painted, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this excess off of this canvas. So I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and just going as close to the wood as possible here to remove this excess. Corners are a little difficult. Oh yeah, and trying to be careful not to puncture puncture the front of this. So I'm just gonna go all the way around and remove that. Oh yeah, with the right side of the blade. No wonder I couldn't cut. I had the wrong side of the blade. Oh boy, this is gonna be a long night. Okay, I have all that excess cut off, and then I think what I'm gonna try, I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I think I'm gonna try to paint this inside of the canvas here with my metallic paint. So I'm just gonna go up into the corners and just give it a decent coat so you can't see any of the fabric. Looks like it's gonna work pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this whole inside painted. Okay, I decided to paint the whole canvas, front and back. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my lights that I got from Dollar Tree here, and these are gonna get put on the inside of my frame here. So what I'm gonna do is I am just going to poke a little hole right about here on the bottom. And then it should be just big enough to string my lights through. I might have to, oh no, it just got twisted. Either that or I might have to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can get it pulled all the way through. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, so those are all the lights there. Oh, no, I got a couple more here. Okay, my lights are through, and then I'm gonna take, oh, I don't know if I want to do this first or not. No, I think I'm gonna wait on that. I am just going to make sure my lights are through here, and then I'm just gonna stick a little hot glue right here just to hold this in place. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around, and then what I'm gonna do is I am going to hot glue these lights going all the way around the frame. So I'm just gonna go like this, and then I'm just gonna stick a little hot glue in there. If I can get my finger in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna basically tack it down along the inside of this the wood frame here, going all the way around, and then once I have it all the way around, I'm just gonna keep going until it's all in there. Okay, I have all my lights in there, so that's looking pretty good. I also did paint one of these little blocks from Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is I am using these to cover up the frame here. So I'm hoping hot glue is gonna work and hold it pretty good. I guess we'll find out. So I'm gonna put these on the front, and this is gonna be like my border to cover up the stables. And I'm gonna put one on each side. Try to get it as even as possible. All right, and then these are gonna go over here. And one on this side. Then I need to take my snowflake, and this is going to get attached onto my canvas, hopefully. I don't know how well I'm going to get this to stick, but I'm going to do my best here. So my plan is, well, for one, I should probably cut that little swirly thing off here, the little hook. Okay, so this side, the button or the sparkly thing is not quite centered, so I'm gonna pop that off, and then this block is gonna go on here and then get attached to the canvas. So I'm gonna use some hot glue and stick my block on there, because otherwise I just don't have a lot of, it just would just have been the tips of the snowflake going on there. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hot glue, put it on my snowflakes and on there, and then stick this in the middle. Okay, so just for a little bit more bling, because I feel for me, the only time I really like sparkly and bling is around Christmas. So I have these little jewel border stickers right here, and I'm just cutting them out, and I'm going to put one in each corner just to give it a little bit more sparkle, but I think it's looking pretty cute. It is just about done, but there is one more thing that I want to do. I want to take some of this Deco Art snow text that I have, and I'm going to put this around on my frame. So I'm just going to go randomly around my frame here. I shouldn't say randomly, I'm just going down the line and sticking some of this snow text on the edges. I think that's just going to give it a little bit extra. So I'm pretty much going to go around the whole frame on the outside and put the snow text on. I think it's just going to give everything a little bit more texture, make everything pop a little bit more. So this is probably going to take a little bit, so I will be back. I have all the snow texture on there. I kind of went on the inside a little bit. I didn't do any on here. I probably should have, but I think there's enough snow texture on there. Then the last thing that I'm going to do is secure the battery box onto the back. So that is just going to get put right at the bottom here. I'm actually going to stand this up. Make sure that the screw is facing outward, because you obviously don't want to you want to be able to access the battery box. Okay, and then now that that's secure, then I'm just gonna take the cord here, and then that's gonna get hot glued and kind of tucked around the battery box here. Well, that is it. It is all finished, and it's just gonna sit just like that. So yeah, it's all done. I think it turned out pretty cute. I don't know, you'll have to let me know what you think. So yeah, that's it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I would love it if you like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye.